And I like tea and coffee. I like tea and coffee. She came home and cooked dinner. She came home and cooked dinner.
But. I am tired, but I will work. I am tired, but I will work. He is poor, but happy. He is poor, but happy. Because. I stayed home because it rained. I stayed home because it rained. She cried because she was sad. She cried because she was sad. So. It was cold, so I wore a jacket. It was cold, so I wore a jacket. I was hungry, so I ate pizza. I was hungry, so I ate pizza. Or. Tea or coffee? Tea or coffee? Call me or text me. Call me or text me. Also. She is smart and also kind. She is smart and also kind. I also want to go. I also want to go. Then. Finish your homework, then watch TV. Finish your homework, then watch TV. We ate dinner, then slept. We ate dinner, then slept. Before. Wash your hands before eating. Wash your hands before eating. I studied before the exam. I studied before the exam. After. We played football after school. We played football after school. Call me after work. Call me after work. When. Call me when you arrive. Call me when you arrive. I smiled when I saw her. I smiled when I saw her. If. If it rains, stay inside. If it rains, stay inside. If you need help, call me. If you need help, call me. Although. Although he was tired, he worked. Although he was tired, he worked. Although it was expensive, I bought it. Although it was expensive, I bought it. However. I wanted to go, however, I was busy. I wanted to go, however, I was busy. The food was tasty, however, it was. The food was tasty, however, it was. Therefore. He studied hard, therefore, he passed. He studied hard, therefore, he passed. It rained, therefore, we stayed home. It rained, therefore, we stayed home. Moreover. She is clever, moreover, she is polite. She is clever, moreover, she is polite. The room was clean, moreover, it was cheap. The room was clean, moreover, it was cheap. Besides. I am tired, besides, it is late. I am tired, besides, it is late. Besides English, he speaks Dari. Besides English, he speaks Dari. Finally. Finally, we reached home. Finally, we reached home. She finally answered my call. She finally answered my call. First. First, wash the vegetables. First, wash the vegetables. First, introduce yourself. First, introduce yourself. Meanwhile. I cooked, meanwhile, he cleaned the room. I cooked, meanwhile, he cleaned the room. She studied, meanwhile, her brother slept. She studied, meanwhile, her brother slept. Next. Next, add some salt. Next, add some salt. Next, open the book. Next, open the book. Instead. I drank juice instead of soda. I drank juice instead of soda. Stay home instead of going out. Stay home instead of going out. For example. Many fruits, for example apples, are healthy. Many fruits, for example apples, are healthy. He likes sports, for example football. He likes sports, for example football. In fact. He is very kind, in fact, everyone likes him. He is very kind, in fact, everyone likes him. In fact, I already knew that. In fact, I already knew that. Even though. Even though it was late, we stayed awake. Even though it was late, we stayed awake. Even though she was sick, she worked. Even though she was sick, she worked. Until. Wait here until I come back. Wait here until I come back. I studied until midnight. I studied until midnight. Unless. Don't go unless I call you. Don't go unless I call you. You will fail unless you study. You will fail unless you study. Though. I liked the movie, though it was long. I liked the movie, though it was long. He came, though he was busy. He came, though he was busy. Yet. He is rich, yet unhappy. He is rich, yet unhappy. It is simple, yet useful. It is simple, yet useful. Still. It was raining, still, we went outside. It was raining, still, we went outside. She was tired but still smiling. She was tired but still smiling. Now. Now, let's begin. Now, let's begin. I am busy right now. I am busy right now. Later. I will call you later. I will call you later. See you later tonight. See you later tonight. Already. I have already finished my homework. I have already finished my homework. She already knows the answer. She already knows the answer. Suddenly. Suddenly, the lights went out. Suddenly, the lights went out. He suddenly started laughing. He suddenly started laughing. Maybe. Maybe it will rain tomorrow. Maybe it will rain tomorrow. Maybe she is at home. Maybe she is at home. Certainly. I will certainly help you. I will certainly help you. This is certainly better. This is certainly better. Luckily. Luckily, nobody was hurt. Luckily, nobody was hurt. Luckily, we arrived on time. Luckily, we arrived on time. Unfortunately. Unfortunately, the shop was closed. Unfortunately, the shop was closed. Unfortunately, I missed the bus. Unfortunately, I missed the bus. Otherwise. Hurry up, otherwise we'll be late. Hurry up, otherwise we'll be late. Study hard, otherwise you may fail. Study hard, otherwise you may fail. Especially. I like fruit, especially mangoes. I like fruit, especially mangoes. She loves music, especially pop songs. She loves music, especially pop songs. Generally. Generally, people wake up early here. Generally, people wake up early here. Generally, he is very calm. Generally, he is very calm. For now. That is enough for now. That is enough for now. We can stop here for now. We can stop here for now. At least. Call me at least once a week. Call me at least once a week. We need at least 2 hours. We need at least 2 hours. By the way. By the way, where is Ahmad? By the way, where is Ahmad? By the way, your phone rang. By the way, your phone rang. Actually. Actually, I don't drink coffee. Actually, I don't drink coffee. I thought he was older. Actually, he is 20. I thought he was older. Actually, he is 20. Anyway. Anyway, let's continue. Anyway, let's continue. I was tired, but I went anyway. I was tired, but I went anyway. Sometimes. Sometimes I walk to work. Sometimes I walk to work. She sometimes drinks tea at night. She sometimes drinks tea at night.